Do you struggle to drive leads to your business? Does your story need to be established and spread wide out there? Or you seem to have no idea where to go and what to do in order to accelerate your business even more, but you deserve it. And we got you, preneur. We got you. Simply, you need your own book now. Whether you are an entrepreneur, coach, thought leader, or you just want to start as an author, a book will accelerate yourself, raise your reputation, and grow your brand or your business. Don't believe me? Just see Oprah, Eckhart Tolle, Tony Robbins, Brendan Burchard, Robert Kiyosaki, and more, how a book made them global authorities and dominant thought leaders in their fields. They did it, you can too. Become a true leader and be recognized as an authority in your personal field. See your name on your book's cover and feel the thrill this year. Leave a mark behind your steps and allow others to learn from you and to follow you. Don't be stagnating anymore, because the sky is not your limit. It's like the lottery ticket for your personal PR. That's what your own book truly could be. But is it very difficult to write and publish your book? Not anymore, my friend. It's just quite easy. The Books Factory can turn your message into a best-selling book in just 180 days. Guaranteed. Even if you don't have the time or skill set to write a professional-looking book. You don't have to know to write, nor spend any time doing it, and still have a professional-looking book. Yes, you heard that right. You don't even have to write your book to become a best-selling author. Through a series of a few interviews, the Books Factory team will partner with you to create your book with your core message and in your voice to get your book published and make it a bestseller. Want to be the next best-selling author and get published? Then schedule a free consult with us now, and one of our author strategists will call you at your scheduled time to create a solid step-by-step game plan to help you turn your message, ideas, or story into a best-selling book. What are you waiting for? Schedule a free consult with us now and prosper as an author exactly this year.